If you would love to automate your marketing and make it work for you more and set it and forget it, then you are in luck because I have 4 ways that you can automate your marketing, do a little work up front, and then let it work for you. These are things that I think every business owner really should be doing. So, a couple of these have to do with email marketing. I have an SEO tip for you. And then the final tip is one that may surprise you, but I think is really critical to saving you time and probably money in the long run. First of all, I want you to put an email lead capture pop up on your website. I know a lot of people are like, wait, aren't pop-ups a turnoff? Like, really, do I want to pop up on my website? Statistically, and the data shows that, yeah, it actually works really well for email capture as long as you're offering something that's of some value that people will give their email to. It's great for warm leads and hot leads that have an interest coming to your website already. It might turn off some people that are colder leads, but that's totally okay. So add a pop-up to your website, and I promise you'll see a difference in building your email list. Secondly, email marketing again, I want you to create an automated email campaign, one that drips out to your email list over time that you set up right at the front, and then go ahead and schedule it out and set it, and it'll drip those emails for you. So you can make sure you're staying in communication with your list, you're staying top of mind, and you can always add the one-off emails in between. That's not a problem. But knowing that you have emails that are set up to go ahead and go to your list is going to take a lot off of your mind, and it's going to make sure you're on their radar going forward. The third tip is related to SEO, and it's one that surprises a lot of people, but you really should have a Google listing. Setting up a Google listing holds some weight with Google search and is really important for your SEO. It's pretty quick and easy to do. So in fact, that's probably one of the first things that you want to do after watching this video. And then the fourth tip that I have may surprise you and may not feel super relevant to automation, but it actually is going to save you time, and that is doing a really solid marketing plan. Whether the plan is for a full year, whether it's for 6 months, or maybe just every quarter, 3 months at a time, coming into that time with a really solid plan, with a strategy, with some decisions made and mapped out and written down is going to save you time. You're going to get all that decision making done right at the start of whatever that time frame is, and you're not going to come in every week or every day thinking, what am I going to do? What should I be doing? You will have already made those decisions. You can get help making that plan at themarketingplanshop.com, and I also offer a course that helps with marketing planning. This is a really good way to save yourself a lot of time and stress, and there's also a place that helps you figure out your budget so you're not wondering and worrying about a budget along the way too. So I hope those tips are helpful for you. I hope that you're going to go now and actually implement some of them. And I'd love for you to comment and let me know later if you liked it, if you felt like one of these tips was beneficial for you. Let me know. And if you'd like to learn more about Lindsay Wagnon marketing, just go to lindsaywagnon.com. Thanks so much.